At 3TI, our mission is to leave something better behind. We're working to create a better planet for everyone. A better, more sustainable world for our children and our grandchildren. Hi, I'm Tim Evans, founder and CEO of 3TI. At 3TI, our unique 3 technology installations of solar, batteries and EV charging provide our customers with low-cost, low-carbon energy. We use their existing sites, rooftops and car parks to reduce electricity bills significantly and provide EV charge points to support the transition to net zero.
But let's not be under any illusion. The net zero target is monumental. 82% of global energy still comes from fossil fuels. In the UK, 40% of our electricity still comes from gas. To achieve net zero by 2050, we need to electrify the transport sector and heating. We need to increase the current electricity generation to a whopping 370 gigawatts and replace our gas power plants. And we need to do all of that using renewable energy.
Renewable energy's biggest challenge is intermittency. Supply can't be controlled to suit demand, so instead, demand must be controlled to suit supply. This is the essence of a smart grid, dynamic, real-time control of supply and demand. 3TI delivers smart grids to our clients' sites. We create smart microgrids behind their energy meter. We leverage the dynamic capabilities of solar, EV and battery technology using our in-house 3TIG control system. Our solutions not only save money, they make money too. In addition to EV charging, 3TIG enables integration with national smart grid mechanisms using local energy storage and bidirectional EV charging, collectively opening the door to a multi-billion pound market in integrated solar, storage and EV solutions. 3TIG enables us to reduce costs, increase revenue generation and ultimately deliver net zero infrastructure faster than other approaches.
So on this journey to net zero, we face 3 challenges that we need to overcome. Firstly, we need to increase solar generation by 5 times. Secondly, we need to increase the number of EV charge points 23 times. And finally, we need to upgrade the grid to allow these installations to be connected. At 3TI, we've been tackling these challenges since 2019. And in just over 4 years, we've already installed over £15 million of solar PV across our customers' rooftops, disused land and car parks. We're very fortunate to be working with some of the most well-known brands in the country, including projects at Bentley Motors. And just a few months ago, we installed our technologies at Silverstone in time for the British Grand Prix.
We chose 3TI for the following reason. First, it looks good. 2, it's very easy to install. Within 24 hours, we had the popular unit installed on site. 3, we love having the fact that various technology is included within that piece of equipment. Solar, EV charge point and battery storage.
We have a pipeline of future projects worth over £250 million and we continue to receive new inquiries on a daily basis. Our Papilio 3 charging hub, launched just last year, has received multiple industry awards. And after just 12 months, we've already provided over 9,000 EV charging sessions for drivers.
Well, from the first time I saw the Papilio 3, I thought, wow, that really answers a challenge that the industry has. You can just drop it in, put out the wings, and you're already getting some power. Also, the ability to top that up with the grid and support it with batteries that are integrated into the system. So for me, it ticks a lot of boxes because you can just drop it in, connect it quite simply, and then you have a source of power.
Last round, we raised over £3 million from 2,500 investors in 66 different countries. With the funds from this round, we're going to further develop 3TIG, hire key personnel, expand the Papilio EV charging network, and join the battery and storage flexibility markets.
As the home of British motorsports, we're trying to be ahead of the curve and be seen as a front leader in the race to net zero. This is why we have chosen 3TI to accompany us and accelerate change and win the race to zero.
I think 3TI are worth a look. If you're investing in green technologies, look at 3TI, look at what they do, look at who runs the company, look at their track record so far and their business strategy. I think they're definitely worth considering an investment.
For further details, please visit our website and crowdfunding page. Become a shareholder and help us all to leave something better behind. Thank you very much for your support.